Hello and welcome to my tutorial ebook, Understanding Fractions, where every single problem is linked to a video tutorial. Hello and welcome to 2.3 Royal Flycatcher. That's correct. That's what this kind of bird is. It is beautiful. Look at that plumage. How lovely. Anyway, this is an on-your-own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching the video and making sure that you did it correctly. If you make a mistake, no worries, my friend. Pause the video and fix it. That's the best and fastest way to learn. So, without further ado, here we go. Here is the scenario. A red-crested bird called the Royal Flycatcher has 24 feathers on its top feather plume that makes up its crest right here, right? So, actually, that's probably more than 24, but we're going to just say it's 24 for our purposes here. At any rate, from time to time, these top feathers fall out, and it can be some time before a new one grows. And as you see here, these are splitting apart. They might be ready to fall out, but no worries because a new one will grow in its place, but it might take a while. So, 7 of these top feathers have fallen out. So, the first question is, can you write a fraction that represents the number of top feathers that are still on the bird's head? So, the first thing we got to do is, with any fraction, our denominator is on the bottom, and it always tells how many, or out of how many are in the possibility, right? And we've been told that there are 24 of these top feathers in all, okay? So, now, after that's how many there have before any fell out, right? Now, we were just told that 7 of these top feathers have fallen out. So you could simply go right over here. You could do 24 minus 7 because 7 fell out. You got trouble coming. This turns into 1. This turns into 14. And 14 minus 7 is 7. And drop your 1. So you got 17 that are still left, right? And that's exactly what they're asking us. And how much are left. So here's what you've got. You've got 17 24ths. I always tell my students you can say fractions in 2 ways. 17 24ths or 17 out of 24. Because this is how many you have left out of the original 24. So the second part of this was that you needed to draw a fraction representation with your little rectangle here. And look at that. You can't do it in black. Let's change that and make it just a black outline, right? So now if there are 24 parts, I need to draw 23 lines. And this will get a little tricky, so I'm going to have to actually enlarge this. Wait a second. Whoop. And make that bigger so that I can work with it and draw the lines without running into one another. So I'm going to draw 23 lines. My first line will make 2 parts, and that's why I only draw 23. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and I'm running out of space, so I'm going to grab some of these fatter ones. So this is going to be 21. Oops, I think I miscounted and said 20 twice, so I'm going to draw just one more line, and let's see how many parts we have. I should have 24 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. No, I was counting right. I got to draw one more line, and I'll do it right here. And that should give me 24 parts. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24, and that's exactly what we need here, 24 parts. When you're drawing that many lines, that's why it's important to double check and count when you're all done to make sure you get it correct. At any rate, I'm going to color in 17 of these, so let me get my little marker here, and I'm going to color in with my highlighter. I got a blue highlighter. I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17 right there, right? So now, I always like to count those, right? So I'm actually going to make this a little bigger so I can draw my numbers in there. And here we go. I've got 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17, right? So I get 17 out of the 24. And as you see, this agrees with my fraction right here. And that, my friends, is how you needed to solve this problem. And if you did it all correctly, that's fantastic. If you made a mistake, I hope that you paused it and redrew either your fraction or your fraction box and made it correctly. If not, you can do so now. Either way, fantastic job, and I will see you next time on 2.4. Until then, have a fantastic day. Sayonara for now, my friend.